Okay guys, just a very quick video, a little trick on the regular oven. This one is a Kenmore. And how can you clean in between the panes? You look at it and it's pretty dirty. Turn the light on. It's a triple pane, 3 layers of glass. And you'll notice that if you look inside, you'll see some screws, but they're not accessible to take that apart. How do you take that apart? Let me show you in a very quick video. Very easy trick that people don't know. So guys, how do you take your door apart? You simply have 2 little hinges right here. They're so blending with the, take a knife on that one, couldn't access that. Here we go. And then just lift it up. There we go. And this is coming apart. Let's see the hinges, how it's made. And then just have to take the screws around and you can take it apart. This is pretty easy. So let me put that back. Just as is. Fold them back. That's all you need to do.